Hi, my name is Chef Ada. Welcome to my kitchen. In my 25 years in front of the television, I have done many shows. Of all these, I've always enjoyed cooking. I cook Italian, Spanish, Turkish, and Asian. So today I have Gloria. She's going to teach us how to make sudden fried chicken from Jamaica. Gloria, hi.
Hi,
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine.
Lovely to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Today we're using turkey. What we have to do is you can see I've sliced up some of the chicken and ready.
And you know, guys, when you're handling chicken, turkey, and all that, you need to wear gloves. So now you're going to season, right?
Right.
We are going to use my Chef Ada Select seasoning. It's not yet bottled, but it will be soon. So,
okay. So
what do you do?
we put these in here.
Okay. And then we'll add a couple of spoonful Chef Ada Select. Oh, it looks good already, although I can eat it raw. It smells good, doesn't it?
It smells fantastic.
And you're not gonna ask me what's in it, right?
Yes, I am.
It's a
What's
secret.
in
If I
it?
tell you, I'm gonna have to kill you. But
okay.
yeah, I'm sorry. And then you need some eggs. And then some canola oil. Is that enough?
Yeah, that's fine.
Or should I put everything in?
Yeah, I can put everything in because we're gonna deep fry it, really. But
Yeah,
in a pan.
Okay, deep fried. My doctor shouldn't hear me eat deep fried food.
First, we dip it in and make sure it's all nice and
coated.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then in the breadcrumbs, also nice and coated. And then
and now we're gonna fry it
in the pan.
Oh wow!
Yeah, that looks good.
What do you usually eat this with?
Actually, you can eat it with bread or salad or rice, whatever. Or you can have it as a snack or whatever.
Oh my goodness, that smells so good. I wish there was smell addition, but you have to be here. This is the sauce I made for the Jamaican fried chicken, and I made it last night because when Gloria called me, she said, oh, but you know what, I can't get Jamaican ingredients. I said, look no further. Chef Ada is here. So I made this, and that's what we're going to use it. Doesn't it look delicious?
It does.
Oh my goodness. And if you want some more sauce, a vinaigrette, just put it on top. And then you can go to town all by yourself. Oh my goodness. Thank you for coming, Gloria.
You're welcome.
Is incredible.
Welcome. Anytime.
Thank you, Gloria, for coming.
You're welcome.
If you want the recipes for today's show, please go to chefada.com and you can see it, and then you can cook it at home. And I say thank you to you all for watching. Bye-bye.